Hello friends, subscribe my channel IDP examination based question provided by my channel. Today I am going to discuss about the simple past tense. Remember that the structure is tense. Which simple past tense we follow the simple formula subject plus verb की second form plus object. For example, subject I, object went, object is school. There are more examples to clarify your past simple tense. Let's start. I solved the sums. I subject, solved simple past verb की second form, whereas the object the sum. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it.